How to clean up your laptop and make it run faster for free. So the first step is deleting your temporary files. So you can achieve this by using the Windows key and I. Once you've opened it up, just head straight into storage, and then you can easily start deleting your temporary files from here. Just click on show more categories and scroll through till you find temporary files. If they're not here, head back to storage and then click on the cleanup recommendations, and you'd see temporary files, and just click on these and click on cleanup, and it's done. All right, now the next step you could try is uninstalling some unused programs. So head into the apps, head into applications, and then just simply uninstall these apps. Any app that's taking too much storage, it would definitely slow down your computer. You could also try this with apps that begin on startup. So just go ahead and disable some startup applications, such as these applications that are not being used by you. Once you've turned them off, they should speed up your computer once it's turned on. And now head back into system, head into storage again. And once you're here, go ahead and turn on storage sense. Windows will automatically clean up your temporary files and free up space over time. And then lastly, here's a pro tip you can try. Keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage drive free. A nearly full drive can noticeably slow down your laptop, especially if you're using an SSD. All right, guys, and that's it. So see you in the next one.